So guys, with just your ID card, you are eligible to work on this platform and earn massively just for free without any payment. So I'll be explaining everything right here on my channel, how you can get to maximize this new platform that was launched a few days ago. So the name of this platform is called ANTPOOLMINING.net. So this platform gives you opportunity to make money by you joining the platform and working with them, ensuring that you follow the step-by-step approach towards their demand, and you get to make money for free and withdraw. And I will be showing everything completely, and it will be followed step by step so that you get to understand how everything works here. So this is actually my login dashboard. So I'll be showing you how you get to sign up on this platform and start making money. At least you'll be earning up to $15 to $20 on daily basis, depending on your ability. So all you need to do is to stick with me and watch this video from the beginning to the end, so that you won't get to mix any single step, because I'll be sharing everything in details. So right here now, you can see I just clicked on the sign up page and this particular interface got popped up. So now what you need to do to earn money on this platform is very simple. So first of all, you need to have your national ID card or anything that symbolize ID card. If you don't have, guys, so what you need to do is to get from someone that has, and make use of that one. All you need to do is to ensure that the person takes selfie with the ID card. So I'll be showing you how the format will look like and how you get to register quickly and start making money. So it's very simple. Just verify your account and you'll be given $10 automatically, and you can decide to invest that $10. The whole profit you'll be making from that $10 will be yours. And also there is a huge opportunity through the referral program, whereby if each person that you refer, so I'll be giving you hint on how it works. So when you refer one person and the person gets to sign up and verify his account using ID card or anything that symbolize identity, so what you need to do is send the link you copy from your account. So use the link in the description of this video. That is the first step to take if you want to make money online using this platform. So I'll be showing you my personal account and how to get verified and upload your ID card, and also I will drop the link in the description of the video where you will have to follow and get to the Telegram platform. And in that Telegram platform, you have to upload your screenshot. After you must have set up your account and allow them to verify it within a few hours of the day, and you receive $10, which you automatically follow the step that I'll also share right here in this video, so that you get to invest the $10 and start making money online using this platform. So each person that signs up through your link and the person verifies through this medium that I'm explaining here, you will get to receive $1.5 instantly, and that is how you keep growing your account. Also from the mining pool, you get to earn daily from the mining assets that you have been given to invest with. So now when you come to this place, you're already on your dashboard right here now. So the first thing you're going to do is to put your username. So username is different from your full name. So full name is during authentication that you get to input your full name as it is on your ID card. So that is how it is. Now you create a password that you wish to make use of. Now you have to select your country code. Where you're coming from is where you select here. And now the next thing you're going to do is to put your phone number. So you confirm the password you've created in the first place. Now you come down right here, you input this value of this verification code. You said C6, you see C6 TB or T8P. So you put the code there. Now they will send you an invitation code That is why it is necessary you use your correct country code. So they will send you an invitation code which you will receive. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. This invitation code will be automated because when once you click on the link, that link will fill in the invitation code right here. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on register. So when you click on register, you will automatically get registered on this platform. Now the next thing you're going to do, log into your account. So let me simply log into my account and show you how everything works, guys. So guys, I'm already on my account dashboard. So this is how your dashboard will look like. So it's very user friendly, and everything is very simple and usable. So what you need to do is simply you can play around this dashboard like this. So but the first thing first you need to do immediately you are on your dashboard like this. So as you can see, I've already received $33 for free without anything. So I didn't do anything. I just signed up and received $10, invested it using this strategy that I'm showing you here, and the money kept coming. And also a few persons signed up through my link, and also they gave me a referral bonus. As you can see, this is from the team. So I already have a total team of $122. So as you can see, it's very plainly written. So now the first thing you're going to do when once you're on your dashboard is to click on these three dotted lines by the right corner up. So when you click on it, you see this sign sign in symbol. So you first click on it. So what you do, what this one actually works is when you click, every time you click from in the morning and evening, you get to receive $0.25 extra. So that is what it works. So that is how it works, and what it is. So when I click on it now, so let's do it live and practical. You see I've already checked in now. So I'll just need to click on this and I will receive 0.25. I'll keep receiving 0.25 every morning and every evening. So that is how it works. So let's actually go back. So and you keep receiving this in the next 7 days. So that is how it is. And as you can see, I've already received twice, which was yesterday. So before the day goes by, I will keep receiving again on this platform. Now when I click again on these three dotted lines, so it will bring me back to my the actual place I was trying to explain some things to you. Now when I come here now, I will click on this ID. This is my ID. So I'll just click on it and you see this personal. So you use personal, you click on personal. So as you can see, this is how the personal dashboard looks like. So this is actually my details. So what I want to show you is how to get verified and start making money and investing on this platform for free with the bonus, and also you start referring your friends to earn more income without any constraint here. So now the first thing you're going to do is to come to this rename authentication. So when you click on this rename authentication, it will bring you to a place where you need to authenticate your name. So when you click on it, you see I have my name and my details. So that is how it is. Now let me show you. You first put your first name, then you put your ID card number, then you scroll down, upload a screenshot of your ID card. So let me simply show you. So guys, this is how your ID card will look like. So this is what you upload, is a photo of your ID card like this. Now this is the first place. You click on this icon, plus icon on your dashboard right there. Now you upload this particular one. So now you click on this. Make sure that the name that your ID card is carrying is the same name that you are going to upload in the name column. Also the ID card number is what you upload right there. Now you come down to this place and you see this particular side where it's showing your selfie where you're holding your ID card. So you simply click on this plus sign and upload something like this. So it's just a very simple step to get you verified. So immediately you are verified, you submit it, you wait for a few seconds, let it write successful, then you click on submit, then you wait for a review, a approval within a few hours of the day, so that you will simply go to the next step that I'm going to show you right now. So guys, I've been able to show you how your ID card is going to look like and what you are going to do to get it verified as soon as you upload them. So that is how it is being done. So when once you check back within a few hours, maybe after 1 hour or 2 hours time, you go back and check. Now by then it must have been verified. So now you receive your $10. So you have $10 right here. When you log into your account, you see $10 right here. So now the next you are going to do is very simple. Now come to this mining to invest your $10 to start earning on daily basis the from the bonus that you receive. So the next you are going to do is to scroll down. So you see this defer 30 defer 30. So this particular defer 30 USDT is what you are going to come to now. So when you click on this mining immediately, so when you click on mining immediately, under this defer 30, you select all, click on this select all, then the total amount you have in your balance will reflect here. So the next thing you're going to do is to submit it successfully. So immediately you submit, it will be submitted successfully. Now you come to this particular option that is showing records. So you come to records, you will see where your mining is. So you will see it showing running here, and if it has ended, if any has ended, it will show here. So now the progress, the one in progress will reflect here, and the completed one, which is the ended one, will reflect here, and your bonus will keep accumulating on daily basis. So that is how it works, guys. Make sure you select that 30 USDT option that I've shown you, and you get to go on with that. So guys, that is all you need to do to make money on this platform. Now if you have earned up to $20, which is the minimum withdrawal you can take out of this platform, you just need to simply come to this assets. So when you click on assets, you see withdrawal. So but first of all, you need to insert your withdrawal, your address where you want to send your money to, or you want to take your money out from this platform and save it there. So you click on this three dotted lines again, then you click on your account right here as we did for the first place. Now you come to this place and select bind wallet. So you click on bind wallet, and then you will get to insert your crypto wallet address, which is USDT, precisely TRC20. That is what you are going to upload on your wallet. So when you click on it, it will show you create new transaction password. So new transaction password is a password that will be needed to insert whenever you want to carry out transactions such as withdrawal or deposit, but you don't need to deposit anything on this platform. So now the next you're going to do, I'll show you how to copy your referral link and share with your friends, and also get bonuses whenever they register. Now to click to get your copy your wallet referral link, you simply click on this invite friends. So when you click on invite friends, it will load up the page. Now you come to this place and copy out this particular referral link. So when you share to them, they will get to sign up, and immediately they sign up, you get to receive 1.5 USDT from this platform, which is 25%. So that is quite amazing, guys. So if you actually follow the step that I've simply shared on this platform, I believe you get to make enough USDT for free with just your ID card, which you need to upload. You can simply use another person's ID card and start working on this platform. So it's very simple. Just ensure that the face of the person who you are going to make use of his ID card or her ID card, maybe you do not have access to your own, you simply get to make use of another person's own, but ensure that the face and the name that you are going to authenticate is the same with the name you have on your ID card. So guys, thank you. Sign up and start working immediately to make money on this platform. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like the video if it has actually added value to you. And I believe if you have any question concerning any platform or concerning this particular one, simply drop the question in the comment section so that I can be able to attend to that immediately I see it. So thank you for watching guys. See you in my next videos.